In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy table in Evernote desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select an entire table in a note and copy it cleanly so you can paste it wherever you need. First, open the Evernote desktop app and make sure you're signed in. On the left sidebar, click Notes. This takes you to your complete list of notes so you don't have to guess which notebook you're in. If you have a lot of notes, you can use the search bar to quickly find the one that contains the table you want. Next, open the note that has your table. Give the note a second to fully load, especially if it's long or has images. Now, hover your cursor near the left edge of the table. You should see a small three-dot handle appear. This is Evernote's table selector, and it's the easiest way to grab the entire table at once. Click that three-dot handle. You'll notice the whole table becomes highlighted, confirming that every row and column is selected together, not just a single cell. With the table selected, right-click and choose Copy. On Windows, you can also press Ctrl+C. On Mac, Command+C. Evernote copies the table structure and formatting, so borders, header rows, and column widths typically come along for the ride. You can now paste the table wherever you need it, into another Evernote note, an email, a document, or even a spreadsheet. Use right-click and paste, or Ctrl+V on Windows and Command+V on Mac. If you paste into another Evernote note, the table should look nearly identical. When pasting into other apps, keep in mind that formatting may adjust slightly to match that app's style. If only part of the table pastes, go back, click the three-dot handle again to ensure the full selection, and copy once more. That's it. Click Notes, open the note with your table, use the three-dot handle to select it all, then right-click Copy and paste it wherever you need. Simple, fast, and reliable.